Hey guys, I have another unboxing of Dior. As soon as you open up the box, it comes with a card that you're able to put messages on, and I like to put motivational words on it like you deserve it. I really like the packaging and the little sticker, but it was kind of hard for me. I ordered the Capture TOTALE. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. I wanted to try out their skincare for the first time. It was a 3-piece set with a pouch. The pouch is so soft. And this is everything that came in a set. Now let's get into some free goodies. First goodies were 3 perfume samples. One was actually bigger than the others, as you can see. The next free goodie was a phone charm. It's so beautiful. I'm thinking about turning it into a bracelet. I've seen others DIY it into a bracelet and I thought that was so cool. This is everything I received for a $150 purchase.